This is Matt, and this will be a short, straightforward video on how to change a Google Doc into a text file. So you want a .txt file out of your Google Doc. I just have this kind of demo text and image from Unsplash open here just for the purposes of this video right here. To convert from a Google Doc, really simple. We're going to come up to the top left. We're going to click on File. Then you'll come down to Download, and you have a whole bunch of different options. So you can export this and download it as a DOCX file. So Microsoft, you can do your PDF and stuff. RTF format, lots of different formats we have right here. But the one that we want is the plain text, the .txt file right here. You will literally just click that, and that will instantly download to your downloads location. You can see that the file just flew up there, which is the universal symbol that someone has downloaded on a Mac. I'm on a Mac. My downloads location is in the main downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different. It will be dictated by your browser. But that is how you do it. You will literally just come up to the top to File, hover over Download, and then you have all your different download options there. You can literally just click on plain text for a text file, and you will have a text file out of your Google Doc. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.